Welcome to the Electric Wheelchairs USA Mobility Experts channel. In this video, we will take a closer look at what is arguably the best three-wheel scooter in its class, the AFIScooter C3 model.
Check out the link below for the four-wheel version, the AFIScooter C4.
Offering all the comfort and features of a full-size scooter with the maneuverability of a three-wheel design, this model is sure to satisfy outdoor and indoor users.
Speaking of comfort, both the C3 and C4 models have a luxurious orthopedic rotatable captain seat,
pneumatic tires, and shock absorbers to ensure a smooth and enjoyable ride. This mid-size mobility scooter has a variable speed of a little over 9 miles per hour and exceptional maneuverability for its class. The AFIScooter Model C3 has an impressively long battery range of up to 25 miles, so you're in for a safe, comfortable, and fun ride.
When it comes to safety, the ergonomic modern Delta tiller has a great sense of control, a strong grip, digital display, horn, and dual throttle option.
Rear view mirrors and a powerful LED lighting system with front and rear lights, hazards, brake lights, and turn signals all come standard with this model. Indoors or outdoors, you can take this scooter everywhere. Impressive 4-inch ground clearance, powerful motors, and large tires allow you to enjoy this ride and easily navigate through parks, parking lots, sidewalks, and multiple types of uneven terrain. Upgrade options such as wider seats, an extended range battery, and a lockable rear storage compartment are available for both the C3 and C4. Both models also come with a 2-year labor warranty.
AFIKIM is the only manufacturer of this kind of warranty, which is a testament to their confidence in the quality of their products for over 40 years. This scooter and many others are available for you to view or purchase at electricwheelchairsusa.com.
If you have any questions, feel free to call the number below. We are open 7 days a week, and our experts will make sure you get the mobility product that's right for you.